Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot VIVO X200 FE. Okay, so the process is really easy and I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So, to reboot this device we need to first open up the power menu. We do it by clicking the power button and the volume up button at the same time, gently click them at the same time, then release the fingers, and now the power menu appeared. And now, all we need to do is to tap on restart. As you can see now, the Vivo logo disappeared and the screen went black, and within a few seconds, the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. Also, I will tell you that performing a simple reboot from time to time, I think once a week is enough, is good for the health and the performance of your device, because during that process, you simply close the processes that are running in the background, and also this process frees up the RAM. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.